Guys, you're watching Vedika Zone and I'm Vedika, so welcome back to my channel. So first of all, you must have read the thumbnail or the heading. So yes, I'm going to prank my father for 24 hours. I'm right now in the kitchen and he is in the room beside, and like he's busy in his laptop, so he won't be able to hear any noises. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prank him. So now, without any further ado, let's begin with the first prank. He's feeling hungry, so I'm preparing something to eat for him. Something for him to eat. So like he likes the stuff I make, like something like I don't make. I make some non-cooking food. Like I don't cook, but yeah, मैं बिना पकाए जो खाना बनाती हूँ, तो मतलब उसे ऐसे पसंद आता है जैसे कुछ भी. तो मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ अभी, I'm going to make something really good. So it tastes really good and real, but with the pranking stuff, it's not gonna taste so good. So first of all, he hates malai. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a matri and I'm going to, instead of butter, I'm going to put some malai over it and some cheese and a lot of salt and some namkeen. So means like he doesn't like malai at all. So this is gonna taste yuck, and salt also will make it taste really bad. So I'm going to do the preparation, so I'll meet you in a minute. Preparation, this is the matri, this is the salt, this is the malai, and this is the cheese and the knife to cut the malai, cheese. Now I'm going to prepare the awesome dish. So let's get started. Malai, but it is not going to taste the same or look the same as butter. So I'm going to just put some butter over it to make it disguised. So let's put the butter. I put the butter and there's malai under it, so it's not visible. I've cut some cheese and I'm going to put it over it so that it is in disguise. Cheese is prepared, as you can see. Now the only thing left is salt. So let's put some salt in it. Salt, it's completely not visible. So now before he comes, let's just give it to him. Let's go. So I'm going to hide this camera before give it. I'm just not going to tell him that I'm shooting this. So let's give it this to him. हिमांश ये ले, मैंने तेरे लिए कुछ बनाया है. नहीं, पहले ये तो खा, मेरे को बताना कैसा लगा, फिर और बना दूंगी.
Awesome.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Are you sure, Himash? No, I literally don't want to have this. It's yuck.
Why?
I'm going to tell you. मैंने इसके अंदर मलाई डाल रखी है.
नहीं दिखता था.
अरे मैंने सच में डाल रखी है. टेस्टी लगा ना तो. You got pranked. You got pranked. I don't know how Himash didn't like taste the malai or the salt, because when I ate a bite of it, it was like all salty and it all had the taste of salt and malai, so it was too yucky. So like my mouth is like literally very bad. I'm having a very bad taste in my mouth, so I'm just going to eat something now. But before that, just comment down below if this prank was really good, and don't forget to try it with other people, with your friends and family, because it's completely harmless. And now, without any further ado, let's move to the other prank. Apples, and here's the lemon. I've got more. And the salt. So now, let's start preparing it. First, I'm going to take the lemon, and I'm just going to apply it over a few slices. So I'm going to take the lemon and rub it over like this. I'm going to rub it on 2 to 3 slices. Maybe. And it tastes really disgusting. I've tasted it before. So I've applied the lemon on 3 slices. Now it's time for the salt. So now I'll sprinkle it with some salty. It's going to taste too much bad. I'm going to blow the extra salt that it's not visible to him. And now I'm going to put some more lemon over it so that the salt completely disappears. So done. Now let's arrange it in a plate. Apples, now let's give it this to him. कैसा है? हिमांश कैसा है? ये ले, एक और ले, जल्दी जल्दी खा, चींटी आ रही है। कुछ भी नहीं है। नहीं, पागल है क्या? अच्छा नहीं लग रहा? कैसा लगा हिमांश? मैंने बनाया नींबू और नमक।
I love Nimbu. Thank you. I love this also.
You got pranked by the way.
Mama, मेरे को फिर भी पसंद है. I love it. So I don't like.
But फिर भी apple पे seriously. Guys, let's now move on to the prank number 4. So the prank number 4, all you need is a glass, empty glass. So what I'm going to do is I'll just put some laptop charge in the between. So I'm going to act like I'm falling, and then I'm going to just scare him by doing it like this. So he'll get scared that I'm throwing water over him. So this is going to be an epic prank. So let's go. Himaksh, funny. You got scared, you got scared, you got scared, you got pranked, you got pranked. The last prank was very successful. And now let's move on to the 4th prank. So for this, I'm going to take a tissue paper and I'm going to put some powder over it, and I'm gonna just like tell him to wipe his face, and it's going to be all powdery. So let's just try this one. So let's go. For this prank is all ready, so like I'll show it to you. Can you see this? So like I made a few holes on the top and then put the powder inside so that it can come out easily. So let's go. To put this setup with another few napkins so that it's not noticeable that it's like that. So, and I'm going to do it like that so that it's not visible, and then after a few minutes I'll tell him to wipe his face. So let's start doing it. I hope it works well. इधर मुंह पे क्या लगा रखा? वाइप करो।
दीदी का पाउडर. Oh my God.
Guys, now the last prank was sort of very good. Like it didn't fail. It was really epic. Now I am sure this prank will work 99%. So what I've done is I've created a fake ID of my school and I've posted it to my mother's Gmail. So I'm going to just show, and then I have just sent through that fake ID a message to myself only that he is not attending his class regularly, so he will not be allowed to give his exams because his exams are going to start. So I'm so happy for this. Now I'm going to show you this him on the laptop. So let's go. हिमांश, तू पूरे दिन पर गेम खेल रहे थे, तूने क्लास नहीं की ना?
क्या दिखा?
अब देख तेरे मैसेज आया, देख को लैपटॉप पे दिखाती हूँ. एस्केप कर, जीमेल पे दिखाती हूँ. देख अब तेरे को दिखाती हूँ. ये रहा रायन का. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही हिमांश.
Please.
अरे तेरे को दिखा रही हूँ ना, रुक तो जा. Let it load. How come it is a prank? हिमांश, मैं तेरे को दिखा रही हूँ ना. Wait. See, I'll show you. No. कहाँ गया वाला? Wait. Thank you for informing me. Just a minute, मैं निकाल के देख. ये रहा, देख रहा है, इंटरनेशनल स्कूल का है. Dear parent, Himanshu is not attending his class regularly. Due to this, he is not allowed to give his first and second exam. If he does not attend his class, he shall not be allowed to give his further exams. Thank you. Regards, Sudha Singh, principal ma'am. What are you going to do, Himaksh? मम्मी, इसके स्कूल का आ गया. इसके अटेंडेंस के वजह से इसको पहला और दूसरा एग्जाम नहीं दे पाएगा ये. हाँ हिमांश, और अब और क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं करेगा तो हाँ मम्मी, ही इज नॉट अलाउड टू गिव हिज फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड एग्जाम. मम्मी, आर यू लिसनिंग टू मी? इसका पहला और दूसरा एग्जाम नहीं दे सकता ये. इसने क्लास अटेंड नहीं की ना. रायन इंटरनेशनल से मैसेज आया प्रिंसिपल मैम का. आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेके भेजती हूँ. हाँ हिमाक्ष, वेरी बैड. और मम्मी मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही. हाँ भेज रही हूँ, रुको. लिखा है कि अगर आगे के एग्जाम्स क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं करेगा तो आगे के एग्जाम्स भी नहीं दे पाएगा. तेरा सिस्टर या कंप्यूटर का एग्जाम गया. मम्मी अब आप क्या करोगी हैं? सुधा सिंह प्रिंसिपल मैम है यार मम्मी. हाँ इसको दिखा दिया ना, लैपटॉप पे खोल के दिखा दिया इसको. आप बताओ आप क्या करोगी अगर आप बाहर आओगी तो? अरे मम्मी को समझ करो, मैंने प्रैंक किया. मैंने फेक आईडी बना के फेक मैसेज. This was the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. So like these pranks were really good and the last prank worked the best. So I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button and don't forget to share it with your friends, family and pretty much everyone if you want to. And don't forget to comment down which was the best prank you liked. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, keep watching. Bye.